YouTube? What's up, peeps? It's been a while, like 2 months to be honest. So, the reason why I haven't made a video is because I've been within, figuring things out and looking on the outside, realizing a lot of things, that we're in a trap, we are under an illusion, and I am breaking said illusion and gaining light. Gaining light. And that's what I've been doing, man. I've been working on me. And I want to bring unity to the world. But we are one. We are one. That's just what it is. We are one, and we have been separated from this oneness by the enemy. And we need to get back to this oneness. The enemy has us under a spell, and we need to stop hurting each other. We're hurting each other, but we all got the same enemy. We all getting beat up by the same motherfucker. So how are we fighting each other? But we gotta work on ourselves first. We gotta be able to take the log out of our eye so that we can see clearly enough to help others take the splinter out of theirs. But that's not gonna happen if you have a log in your eye. So you have to give rise to what's within you. And once you do that, what's within you will be what saves you. Sorry, my cat is in full play mode right now. That's all he was trying to do. The second I turned the camera on, he said, "Nah, you're gonna play. You're gonna play if you like it or not." But so yeah, unity. We need unity. We need to stop fighting one another. Our music is fucked up. We need to start telling the kids different shit. But this is where I'm at in my head. And I gotta decode my whole life because I've been taught all these lies. So you've heard me talk about this in some videos. The things that we say is fucked up, all that shit. So, I'm just trying to heal from that. I'm trying to heal all the wrongdoings so that I can help. What? This cat is really full play mode. Like, he wants to play more than anything. And to be honest, it's about to be a wrap for you. You better stop it. Anyway. So, yeah, that's where I've been. Where have you guys been? Where are you guys at on your journey? What's going on with you? What's been going on with you guys? Let me know how you've been doing, how your journey is, how your inner work is, how your shadow work's going, how's your healing going. Just let's fill each other in and build and grow and love and rule together. Because the thing is that the higher up people try to have you think that only a certain amount of people can have all the best things on this fucking planet when that's a lie. We can all have it. This motherfucker closed my door. Sorry about that. My video cut out. I gotta delete some stuff on my phone. But yeah, this cat closed my door. Messing with the door. He opened it to get out, closed it after he left. But yeah, the higher ups, they try to make you think that we can't all have it when we all can have it. We can all have a society. We can all be in the kingdom and all have the glory and all have what the earth has to offer, and probably take it to wherever we want, do whatever we want. We could do that, but we're too beat down right now. We're too beat down, under a spell, under a trap, and let's unite. Let's move with peace. Let's do something. Let's do something. But we're under a spell. And this goes to all my black people and all my women. Especially black women. Melanated, black, colored. The adversary has us under a spell. And to break away from that spell, we have to leave the adversary's teachings behind. Because it was us who taught the adversary, and then the adversary who used what we taught them against us. If you get it, you get it. But I guess that's why you're watching me, because you get it. What the heck? Move. Straight playtime. That's all he want to do is play. When I get on the mic, he's like, oh, you not paying attention to me? Well, you paying attention to me now, dude. And he's aggressive. Don't nobody want to play with you when you being aggressive like that. Yeah, man. No prophet is accepted in his own village, so I love you guys. Let's unite. Let's figure this out. Let's break out of this spell. Let's do something. Let's heal. Let's help each other. Let's help each other elevate and become one so we can shape this kingdom however we want it.